short signals, 5-minute 4-bar Mayo Cross AO saddle and filter. Cross the 15-minute is also a 4-bar and AO Mayo saddle.
Took that.
Might be a little late.
I took the Euro yen just now, thanks Debbie. I took it on the basis of the 15-minute fresh 4-bar double saddle.
Yeah,
Okay.
as soon as you called it out, Deborah, I went and looked at it, and you were calling out, and I was saying, oh yeah, I'm on. So I jumped in.
Okay.
Just entering the pound yen short, super tight stop of 12 pips. 4-bar on the 15 minutes. AO saddle, fresh filter cross. The 1 hour is a fresh 4-bar saddle. Mayo saddle.
My Euro yen took me out at my target for 25 pips.
Nice one, well done. Clark called out a pound Aussie trade earlier, which I took. I just closed it out for 22 pips.
Nice.
Wow, you guys are amazing. The thing that is exciting for me is that you're helping each other. You got the scanner that brings things to your attention. You got other traders that brings things to your attention, and you're looking at things, and it's interaction. I mean, it goes both ways. It's not everyone is seeing all the trades, and so that's cool.
I took the Euro New Zealand because John called it out. I got 60 out of that.
Wow.
60.
You owe me pips. You owe me pips. You owe me. Excellent. Well done. That's
It's
fantastic.
not even the pair I look at usually. So, yeah.
So I know that there's over 100 pips, and I'm just ballparking it. Over 100 pips have been made today from by someone who did not see the trade initially. It was called out by someone else.
I just closed the pound yen for -5.
50 on Euro New Zealand, 60 on the Euro Aussie.
10 pips.
110.
You're the man.
Cheering it on like I am.
Oh, can you hear me?
Yeah. You're saying what I'm feeling. You're like, come on. I'm like, let's go.
This is terrible.
There's no privacy here, right?
No, it's so funny.
I love it.
During the Pip Club, how many pips did you make during the Pip Club?
130.
Was that a 1 in front of that 3?
Yeah.
You're good, John.
Is that a 1 in front of that 3 or a 2? Oh.
Oh, that's great.
Can I get that in writing?
Yep. Cost you that.
Gosh. Yeah, I'm still tallying here. Give me a break. I'm not as quick on my counting my toes as John is.
I know some of you took trades earlier, or you had been trading earlier in the day, just those Pip Club trades.
I had 110 pips. Only 4 trades that were taken during the Pip Club and closed. I do have let's see.
If you guys want to report, if you want to report those also, you can. But the main, I want to keep it separate so we can just say for today. Some days you want totals, but today I just want the Pip Club trades, and you can report the others if you would like also.
Yeah, I have one other that was taken but is still open.
14 pips for me today.
Cool.
Yeah.
That takes two hands and one shoe off to count that.
All right. I finally tallied up.
Funny.
95.
Wow. You guys are awesome.
Now, I know some of you had some losses, so these are net pips. That's
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah, that's net. That's net.
Net
Yeah,
pips.
net.
Gross pips would have been 126.
Wow.
Net 95.
If I had held to my take profit, I would, on my trades today, I would have, I think I would have netted at least 30 or 40.
How
I'll have to go back and check.
How many did you do though? What did you report? Or you haven't done?
Oh yeah, I reported 14.
Oh, 14.
Net.
You know what? You're making money at 14 if you do that every day.
That's right. That's right.
Like we've talked about.
Yep. I'm happy.
Today's closed trades, including 4 that were taken prior to the Pip Club, total net 227.
Yowza.
5-5. Well done.
Yes, excellent.
Renata is reporting 43 pips. Way to go, Renata.
Awesome. Great.
That is cool. Well done.
That is great.
I love when I hear other traders that I've worked with one-on-one in the past doing well.
What'd you say, Peter?
You made 100 and then what? It cut out.
I made 100, but I only had a 50% win-loss ratio. I won 7 trades and lost 7.
But you're up 50, or you're up 100, right?
Yeah.
That's nice.
That's good.
287 for today.
High five.
That's great.
High
You
five.
guys, it's a good day in the market.
It turned into a good day. Yeah, it turned into a good day. It was choppy earlier.
Yeah.
Very choppy.
Well done, everybody. Now that we've surpassed our quotas, can I go home?
Yes.
Yeah, school finished for today. Is school finished? Can we go home now?
Yeah.
Please.
Okay.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Yeah, really.
Uh,
I'm gonna have to go take a nap.
It's just morning. Yeah, that's the thing with being traders. We can get more done profitably in less time than most people get done all day, if done right.
If you hold.
Yep.
okay.
Good job.
Thanks, guys.
Okay.
And,
God bless.
Thank you.
Close it, and we'll see you all tomorrow. And then
Have a great day.
Hey.